Okay, well maybe not drunk.
Hey you guys, welcome back. Wait, no, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Jesus Christ. Okay, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Idara. So if you guys don't know, I do a lot of, okay, if you look at my content, there's a lot of like either like fashion or kind of like lifestyle content, and I'm starting to slowly get into like travel content because I'm traveling more and I really love like recording just different places I've never been before. But I've decided that I want to start doing like shorter videos in order to make it easier for me to like edit and put them up, because the longer the video, the longer it takes me to edit and the longer I procrastinate. Then it just never gets posted and I'm like, okay, so like, okay. Yeah, but I want to try and like, not niche down, but focus on like my different interests and actually like post about them. So that's kind of what I'm trying to do. So in this video, this will probably be like a 4 to 5 minute video. It's just building an outfit with me. One singular outfit. It's just gonna be me going through like what goes through my head when I'm trying to like make an outfit, or what accessories I pick, or how I do my color combos, anything like that. And we're just gonna build an outfit together. Me and you and me. So I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure to click the subscribe button and also give me a like and share. You know, if you're feeling me out. Bye. Alright you guys, so excuse the fan. That's the only way the light works. I have to like really, if I turn it off, then like it looks crazy. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the centerpiece of the outfit. So I got this really cute shirt from Revice, and I was like, wait, I want to make like an outfit around it. And it's a tube top. I know it's not summer yet, but I just love me a good tube top. Like, I don't know. Okay, hold on. So this is what the tube top looks like. I love how fitted it is. Like, see how I was giving snatch? Like, I love that. I'll say like navy. Y'all ignore how grown out my nails are. Oh. So it has some navy and burgundy detailing. Love that. That's the pop of color. And that's what like drew my attention to it when I first saw it on the website. I was like, oh, it's not just a basic top. It's a colorful top with embroidery. Yes. The next thing I'm thinking is, okay, like what can go with this? And I'm such a jean girly. Like, I love jeans. Like, I promise you, I barely wear like shorts or skirts. Like, people barely see my leg. I love me some jeans and some baggy jeans. Oh my god. So of course I was like, okay, I could do some like cute mid-wash baggy jeans with these, which I have. These are the baggy jeans in question. I'm a Hollister partner, and if you guys wanted to get these jeans, you can check out the link in the description. These are the Hollister low-rise baggy, and I got them in a size 10 long because I'm 5'8", and I like my jeans like scraping the floor, like picking up everything the floor has. It has this distressed detailing, which I think is cute. And since it is a size 10, it's a little bit loose on my waist. And then since it's low rise, it literally hangs down here. So I normally have like an extra button that I got from Amazon. I put it here to like overlap and make it tighter. I do want this look to have a bit more depth to it, just because all we have is a tube top and some jeans. It's pretty basic. I want to add more, maybe layer something. So I do have another Hollister item that I want to share with you guys. And these are like the boxer shorts. I don't know if you guys have been seeing these trending, but like they turned underwear into like literal shorts. I'm not even gonna lie. But like it eats. And they put pockets in them for you. So like they're not just like giving underwear, they're giving, oh, I can wear these outside and like not be judged. What I want to do is put these underneath the jeans, so it gives like layer, and then also like adds another colorful aspect. And then you can see how this is like also kind of a burgundy, so it matches with the burgundy on the tube top. Let's put that on and then we'll see how it looks, and then we'll go into accessorizing and jewelry. So I got this ring when I was in Spain. I got it from Madrid at a street vendor. So cute. And then I got this from a website. I can link the website. I got it right now. And then this got from Honor Jewelry. I really like it, but it looks really cute on camera. It looks cute like this way. Let me show you guys what we're working with right now. I just set up like my phone and emulate and stuff. So, this is the fit. This is a fit. And we're gonna change into something better. So this is the fit right now. So we have the tube top, the boxer pants, and then the baggy jeans, and I'm just wearing socks right now. But so this is the fit right now. It's kind of cute. It's still a little bit basic. So now we're gonna go into accessorizing. Guys, please ignore how dusty my mirror is. I promise you. Like when you're standing at the mirror, because I don't be standing like this close to the mirror, so like I can't even see the dust for it. All right, bottom line is I'm going to wipe it down for y'all next episode. It's getting wiped down. Into the accessories portion. So this is my big jewelry box, and this is like my travel size one. It's been through it, like she's a little beat up. So I think we're gonna go with this necklace. This is kind of like a chain necklace that I just recently bought that I really like. I like how colorful it is, the colorful gems. And then I think I'm gonna go with this other chain. I love like the molecule detailing, and I'm probably just gonna wear it as like a shorter necklace, not as long as the other one. For earrings, I don't know if I want to do big hoops or smaller hoops. Okay, we'll see. We'll figure that out. And then for rings, I think I'm gonna keep these rings on. Okay, so right now I'm about to do all the jewelry. Okay, so I just put my hair up so that it wouldn't get in my way. But we're gonna take this off. Molecule chain. And then we're gonna do this one. And this one I want it to be like shorter, so like maybe just like up here. And then have the excess hanging in the back instead of hanging in the front. So it has like a little layered look, which is so cute to me. Like, it's not like too maximalist, but it's not basic either. So yeah, I like that. I'm still deciding what earrings I want to do. Right now I have these in, but I do think I want to do bigger. So I decided I want to go with these earrings. They're not as large as my other hoops, but they are pretty thick, so you can see them like behind my braids and stuff. This is what we're looking like right now. But I still feel like I need to add one more thing to make this outfit pop, like pop. I feel like when it comes to accessories, you can really just never have enough. So next, I think we're gonna do a hat. Just to bring like all the colors together, make it pop, make it more than just two top and jeans. So you guys, I bought some Kango hats before I went to Europe, and I got this color and I got black, but I never wore them when I was over there. But since it matches the color scheme, I feel like it could eat. So let's try that. Okay, I've seen a lot of people wear them like backwards, but I don't know why it's so, like, I think it's just because my head is big. Like, it's so hard for me to get it, like come on. It's giving muffin. Make my head as flat as possible. Now we're gonna maybe like tilt it a little bit. I don't know, like. Okay, so let's see how it look. I feel like adding the hat really made it give like London girl, like. One of my friends said it's giving brats, and I definitely agree. Like, that's the vibe. Like, I feel like adding certain accessories makes you look like more like you really thought about the outfit instead of just like, oh, I just threw this on and like it happens to look good. No, I put this on and it does look good. You know, the shoes, you could really do anything. I feel like you could dress this up or dress it down, but because we have the boxers hanging out, we may have to dress it down. So maybe some cute little sneakers or something, or like mini heels if you're really like feeling like Rihanna. I feel like it's so cute, like. And then I want to add a purse. I have two purses that I think could work. One of them is the like maroon burgundy type of color, and then I have this Tommy Hilfiger one that's the navy color. I feel like the Tommy Hilfiger goes best just because we already have a lot of like red in the hat. So let's see. Let's put on another arm. So now this is the full fit, you guys. And that is the end of the video. Told you guys it was gonna be pretty short, but I hope you guys enjoyed building an outfit with me. And let me know if you want more of these. I'll probably just make more anyway, because it is kind of fun for me. It's like playing dress up in my room, because I literally, where would I go with this outfit? Like, I'm not leaving my room with the outfit on, so it's like, yeah, okay. But all right, bye you guys, see you in the next one.